Greetings. In this session, I'm going to show you how to run the POC job analysis report by project managers or by sales reps. Both are pretty common when you're sitting down with your sales reps. Often you want to review their overall profitability and quoting that they're achieving, and likewise for your project managers, often you will want to group your reports or run them by project managers specifically. First things, in order for this to work, you do have to have a sales rep or a project manager set. That is on page 2 of the job tab. So here we're calling it preferred tech, but that is your project manager spot. So that's where I would set my project manager, and right here is my sales rep where I would set my sales rep. So remember ARS for our sales rep here in a moment. Now, when we're running like this, if I'm going to run it for a single job, I would never do this. So I would always be running this outside from my reports navigator. So we'll pop over here and we'll go and we'll hit reports and we'll go to jobs and we will choose the POC job analysis report. So here's the magic to this one. Basically, we're looking at how we're grouping. So we're saying I can do it by department, or I can say all departments. I'm going to say all departments in this case, but then I'm going to choose by either sales rep or project manager. Sales rep is looking at that sales rep field. Project manager is looking at that preferred tech field. And so I'm going to come in here and I'll say by sales rep. Now, if I just ran it like this, I would go by department, by sales rep in my groupings. If I did this, I would be by department and then project manager. So I'm going to do it by sales rep, and I'll go in and pick a particular sales rep. If I can remember who I even chose there. I believe it was Adam right there real quick. Actually, that was Adam Sandler. I just cheated and paused the video and went and looked. So I put my sales rep that I'm going to run it by here. And now the next thing that I would probably want to do, if I wanted to, I could, isolate it, only run for certain groups or kinds of projects. More importantly, usually I would be running this by status, maybe all projects that are completed within a date range, maybe all new job starts within a date range, or all open. At which point in time I can actually constrain my activity within any one of these choices. I'm just going to go for all jobs because I don't know what I have here, and I will go ahead and keep my burden, keep everything else going on. I'll use item cost for labor, and I will just go to the cost code level, and I will page break between jobs, or I can choose not to. I will choose to page break between jobs, keeping it nice and clean, and I let it run. I think I probably only get one job anyway. And there we have. So I've got, here's a job. If I can go through this. Now all of these jobs are the jobs for this particular sales rep. And at the very last page, you'll notice that what we have here is we now have a summary of the total department for this sales rep's jobs with grand totals, as well as, again, grand total for everything if I included all my departments. And that is how to run it by a sales rep or my project managers. Thanks.